Welcome to my channel. Myself Komal Pal. Presently, I'm SD2 at Dell Technologies, and as I was much into research and technology, so that's why I have done my first patent out in just 6 months of joining Dell Technologies. And before joining Dell Technologies, I have given interviews in these companies, and I have also contributed to open source in these companies. I want to let you know that what exactly I provide at my channel, because there are a lot of people who don't know that what exactly I do and what exactly I provide at my channel. So this whole video is dedicated to that only. So let me tell you. So basically what I offer at my channel is, first thing is about the placement preparation. So in the placement preparation, first thing comes is data structures and algorithm. In context to data structure and algorithm, I provide solution for lead code daily challenge, lead code weekly, bi-weekly challenges. And for all this, a curated playlist is there so that you can easily figure out with what all topics you want to go ahead with. And even randomly also, if you want to go ahead, you can clearly search in my channel and you will get the topic. And apart from lead code, I provide solutions in context to interview bit and GFG as well. And apart from platform, I also provide solution for the blind 75, and soon I would be creating videos in context to grind 175 questions as well. So these all things are provided in context to data structures and algorithm. And then further, apart from this, I provide resources in context to system design as well on my YouTube channel. And then apart from data structures and system design, because when you are ready with this, now next part would be about the mock interview. So I take live mock interview sessions on my YouTube channel as well. So in that context, you can check the live section of my YouTube channel. You will get that I've already taken mock interviews in past, and even I take doubt sessions, and those are also live. So if my coding community have any sort of doubt, so I solve them in those live sessions. And then apart from these four things, then I go ahead with the job opportunities as well. I post job opportunities at my Twitter. And from there, if there is some job opportunity where I know that people might get difficulty in applying those job opportunities, so in that context, I usually create videos, and that also I post at my YouTube channel. So apart from the placement preparation, then comes the podcast which I provide. So basically, the podcast which I provide is of the topic open source, because now Hacktoberfest is ongoing, right? Then a lot of other open source programs are there, like MLH, 𝒔𝒐𝒄𝒓, and much more which are there. So I usually create podcasts with those people who have already done much into the same. So those podcasts are also available on my YouTube channel. Then comes the part I have prepared a podcast in context to gate preparation. People, those who have already given the gates, so with them I collaborate and prepare those podcasts. And then I create podcasts in context to take in managerial roles as well, because my channel is completely into software development. So in that context, tech and managerial role podcasts are much more important. So in that context, also collaborate with people and create those podcasts. And apart from this placement preparation and podcast thing, I all because now as my subscriber have reached to that extent that my community section is completely unlocked. So that's why I create quizzes, and those quizzes are basically in context to CS theory and data structures theory and even algorithm theories as well. So that when there are interviews, so some interviews do ask some questions which are one liner, and in that context, yeah, there is something which we say that if we are not able to answer those questions, then surely it is like a bad impression sort of on the interviewer, right? So for those last minute preparation as well, I have created these quizzes which I post. So these things would help you much into your interview preparation. So if you want to get completely ready for your interview preparation, so you can hit that bell button on and do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any notification, and even you will be getting all your notification from YouTube itself rather than from other social media platforms. So this was all for this video, and it was much needed video because a lot of people were in doubt that what all things I provide. because there are multiple things which I provide at my channel. So this was all for it. Thanks for watching.